Hey guys, there's a couple of quick and easy things that you can do to see if your AirPods are legitimate or not. The first way is opening up the case and finding the serial number. It's printed in a very small font, but when you have that serial number, you can take that over to Apple's website, and I'll have a link posted right at the top of the video description. So over on the webpage that I linked right at the top of the video description over on Apple's website, you enter your serial number in right here and then enter in the code that you see at this point. Then go ahead and click continue. If your product is legitimate, it will take you over to a next page that talks about your service and support coverage for the particular Apple product that you had purchased. So that's a good sign for me in this instance that my serial number was able to take me over to this page. Now, if you don't have a serial number or the serial number that you enter is not valid, it'll look something like this. It will say, "We're sorry, but this serial number isn't valid. Please check your information and try again." Again, this is what it will look like if it does come with a serial number and it's not valid, or you might not have a serial number at all that you can type in. Another way is if you have a scale lying around that can weigh in grams, for instance. The AirPods second generation weigh 48 grams with the case and the two AirPods. The case is 40 grams, and each of the AirPods themselves are 4 grams apiece, so you add all that up, and it's 48 grams. I believe the first generation AirPods are a couple of grams lighter than this, 46 grams. At least that's what I found on the internet. I'm not 100% sure if that is true or not, but then also the AirPods Pro, they're at about 56 to 57 grams. So if you have those, you can check it out in that way. But if the case with the two AirPods in them are less or more than this particular number, then you might have yourself a fake version of the AirPods. And more often than not, if they are fake, they're probably going to weigh a bit less than the grams of weight that is the correct specs for this product. So those are the couple of different ways that you can go about checking to see if the AirPods you have are real or fake. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing for more, and hope to see you guys back here for future videos.